welcome back to my channel. I have no voice. Let's just get that out of the way right now. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be talking about hair tips, how to grow your hair long, thick, and healthy. And no, this is not my hair, but I just got clip-ins and I kind of am obsessed. I need to tone them. Bellamy said these are ash blonde. They're not. They are a little bit more like Barbie blonde. So there's a very slight difference between like the hair on my head and the hair down here. But I have had long hair. You guys can check my old videos. I've really kind of honed and mastered how to grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier, because I've made so many mistakes. I've made so many hair mistakes. I've dyed my hair, bleached my hair, black, blonde, purple, fucking orange, fucking extensions. Like, oh my God, I've done the most to my hair. And after all these years, I finally have honed like the recipe for keeping your hair looking the most perfect as possible, even if you're dyeing it, the healthiest as possible, even if you're dyeing it. So that's what I'm sharing with you today, my tips and tricks for that. I think these tips and tricks really work for all types of hair because it's just keeping the general integrity of the hair shaft intact. Before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, my name's Jennifer. I'm an esthetician and a model. I make YouTube videos about anything beauty related. I talk about anything that's going on in the world and law of attraction, manifestation, general well-being. If any of that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe. Also, please like this video. That really helps, or dislike it, whatever you want. It really helps the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is all about like engagement. So if you guys can like this video or comment. Also, it's completely anonymous. When you like a video, no one knows. So like, you know, if you don't want me to know that you liked my video, don't worry. I don't know. I can't see it. So without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. Okay, so I have a couple things here lined up, like a couple products that I'm going to tell you that work really well. I'll give you a little backstory about my hair. My hair is fine, but I have a lot of it. It is naturally like lighter brown, and I highlight it blonde. My hair was, what is this? Oh no, bitch, bitch, bitch. I just started dyeing my hair again like last December. And before that, I was paranoid about dyeing my hair because dyeing your hair really is the #1 cause of fucking it up. If you go back in my channel, you'll see like videos, like the very early videos are me with my natural hair color. Now that I highlight my hair, I feel like my hair is really like the same thickness, the same healthiness, same integrity. But right now I'm just in the process of growing it out because I cut it about to here last January, so a year and a half ago. Now it's like, where's my natural hair? Like now it's like to here. The most important thing is the integrity of the hair too. Like it's very healthy hair. You don't want it to look like too like thin and stringy. Like that's like the worst thing ever. A couple things that I've learned along the way. I think the #1 thing I'm going to tell you about how to grow healthy looking hair, you need to cut down on washing your hair. Cut down on washing your hair. It's a huge change for people to make a lot of the times, but it literally is a game changer. Like your scalp will adjust. I know some people say their scalps are oilier than others, but for the most part, you can cut down on how much you wash your hair. I know sometimes, like I used to wash my hair just because I know I want it to look fresh and I want to know what to expect. But if you just use like a little creativity, you can really make your hair look good and make it last for days. I wash my hair like 1 to 2 times per week maximum, and I'm going to tell you that's made the biggest difference in my hair quality. So like right now, I washed my hair on Sunday and it's Wednesday. So you can tell like it's still in good shape. Like it's just straight before I put these extensions in. Look how long these are, by the way. Yeah, bitch. Just kidding. You really can like grow long, healthy hair. It's just a matter of discipline, and practice makes perfect. Yes, you definitely need a couple of these products, but cutting down on washing it is going to be like one of the #1 things that you can do. When you're not washing it, if you have blonde hair, you can use baby powder. Baby powder is low-key like the best shit ever. Baby powder in your hair, literally, like, it makes your hair, like your blonde, fine hair, look so, gives it so much body, gives it so much, like, it makes it look brighter, it makes it look thicker, and it extends your wash time. So you can use baby powder in your hair. I use it first day, second day, third day, like I use it all the time. Like even if it's the first day, I use it because like it looks so good. It's like a texturizer and a thickener. So I really like it for that. So use this baby powder shit because it's really good and it works really well. It's really inexpensive and it doubles as like a texturizer and a thickener. It makes your roots have like more volume and your hair just have more volume, and it absorbs the oil flawlessly. So you can put those right on your scalp. I literally douse my whole scalp in it, make parts, and just put it everywhere, and then I brush it through. And then if my part is white, I just take a towel and wipe the part down, and then voila, you're done. I did it today, I did it yesterday, I did the day before. Sometimes I do this the day I wash it just to make it like a little bit more thicker and more texturized. So the next tip I have for you is before you are going to dye your hair, let's say you have a hair appointment in like 2 weeks, you know you made a hair appointment in like a month from now, start using a hair treatment that's going to strengthen your hair so that when you go in and get your hair colored, your hair is at its strongest point. So I swear by this product. It's the Olaplex #3. And my hairstylist recommended it to me, and a lot of hairstylists recommend this, and it has worked wonders on me. So when I use this product, like when I know I'm about to get my hair dyed in like a couple weeks or a month, I start using this. Like I use this regularly anyways, about once a week. But when I know I'm getting my hair dyed, I up it to like 2 or 3 times a week. And I will do a separate video on how I use this product, but I do actually sleep in this product. It doesn't say to do that, but you can do it. And I love sleeping in it. It really makes your natural hair so much healthier and thicker and more vibrant, if that's even a thing. Okay. Next thing you want to do is think about like sleeping masks you can use in your hair. So I like to use coconut oil. I think I keep it really simple. Like coconut oil really is amazing for the skin and the hair, and I love sleeping in a coconut oil mask like once a month or so. And what I do is I melt the coconut oil in my hands, and then I just start at my ends and I start working it through like my whole head, my whole scalp, and I keep a brush close by and I just make sure all the strands are getting coated with the coconut oil. And once I feel like I have enough on my hair, then I just put it in a bun, and when I go to sleep I put a towel on my pillow. And same with when I sleep in the Olaplex or any other hair treatment, I always put a towel down. And then in the morning you just use, you know, regular warm water. You might have to double shampoo just to get it out, but just to make sure it's fully out. But in general, like coconut oil is where it's at. Next, you want to protect it from the heat. This is up there with the reducing washes. You need to heat protect all the time. I need to get a new heat protector, but I'm using this Kerastase Elixir Ultimate. This is like an oil comparable to the Moroccan oil, only way more high performing. And you can use this on wet or dry hair, but I just put a pump in my palms when my hair is wet, and I coat my hair with it after I get out of the shower, obviously. And then I just comb through it to make sure all the strands are coated. And this acts as a heat protector, but I would actually recommend a specific heat protector or a product like this one. This is the Miracle Leave-In by It's a 10, and I swear by this product. This product is a heat protectant, a volumizer, like it's so good. So I would definitely recommend, you know, this product, but any leave-in that's like a quality leave-in, ask your hairstylist if you want to. Like, do your research, whatever you want to do, but like find a good quality heat protectant, because heat protectants are so underrated. It's like you feel like, oh, I don't want to spend money on that, but like literally you don't know how much damage heat does on your hair. And if you can just protect your hair from the heat, then you will be shocked with how long and healthy your hair grows. So the last tip I'm going to give you, this is for people who are actively growing their hair out. Trim your hair once a month. Now there's like some witchcraft that I used to adhere to that I don't, because I'm not actively like trying to grow my hair as fast as possible. This also keeps you on track with your trims. So I recommend trimming your hair every full moon. And that's a really good way for you to keep track to get trims every 4 weeks. You can also look up, I'll link it in the description, the hair calendar. Like basically there's days that you can trim your hair that'll make your hair grow more, or it'll retard the growth. So if you subscribe to that, like, hey, it's not hurting anything, why not? I did this. I stopped dyeing my hair and I did trims every full moon, and I grew my hair so long, and I never dyed it either, by the way. But like, go look at my old videos if you want. Like, I had like hair like this long, not this long, but past my boobs for sure, and it was like this thick and this healthy. And I did that like with regular trims and not dyeing my hair and using a heat protectant. So that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.